Hello friends, welcome back again. Today in this video we are going to solve this radical problem. We will solve this radical problem in a step-by-step manner, and the problem here is square root 1 plus x square, that is equal to cube root x. Then we'll have to find the value of x. So friend, if still you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe the channel and do not forget to give thumbs up to the video. Let's start the video. Now in the step first will be to eliminate the square root value. In step first, we will try to eliminate the square root value. So for eliminating square root, we will square left hand side as well as right hand side. If we will square the left hand side, then our square and this root value will be cancelled. So we can write 1 plus under root 1 plus x square, that is equal to, we have squared left hand side. So in the right hand side, we have cube root x and we'll square it. So now we'll simplify. Now we'll keep the square root value in the left hand side and rest value in the right hand side. So we'll take this one in the right hand side and it will be -1. So first we'll write 1 plus x square, that is having root, and we'll write cube root x. We can write x raised to the power 1 by 3 and it is squared, and here we'll write this 1, so it will be -1. So now again for eliminating this root, we'll square both hand side. Now if we'll square the left hand side, we'll get 1 plus x square only. In the right hand side we'll have, and this value it is in the form of a to the power m and having again powered by n. This we can write a powered by m times n. So likewise we'll multiply the power. We'll write the base, that is x, and we'll multiply the power, that is x powered by 2 over 3 and -1. Here we have squared the left hand side, so we'll square right hand side. Now in the left hand side we have 1 plus x square, and that is equal to, in the right hand side it is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, and the formula of it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we'll write a as x raised to the power 2 by 3. So here x raised to the power 2 by 3, and we'll square it. Minus 2 times a means x raised to the power 2 over 3, b means 1 plus 1 square. So now in the next we'll simplify it. It is 1 plus x square in the left hand side, that is equal to, here again it is in the form of a raised to the power m and it is powered by n, and we can write it as a powered by mn. So we'll multiply the power here, then we'll get x raised to the power 2 to the 4 over 3 minus here 2x raised to the power 2 over 3, and 1 square is 1. Now we'll simplify these expressions. Here in the left hand side we have +1 and right hand side also we have +1. The left hand side value and right hand side value gets cancelled. So the equation we have here is x square equal to, here x raised to the power 4 over 3 minus 2x 2 over 3. So friend, hope till here everything is clear. Now in the next step, now in step 2 we will let x raised to the power 2 over 3 as a. Let x raised to the power 2 over 3 as a. So this value will be 2a. So we can write it is 2a. Now here it is squared a. Now if we'll square here both the side, that is x 4 by 3 we will get, and in the right hand side it is a square. So here this value will be a square, and now we'll have to find the value of x square in terms of a. Now here this term, if we will cube both the sides, it is x 2 over 3, and if we will cube both the side, then here 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So in the right hand side the a value will be, if we will cube it, it is a cube. In the left hand side here we have x square, and in the right hand side it is a cube. So friend, here x square, we have to find the value of x square, so it is a cube. Here we will simplify it. It is a cube, that is equal to a square and minus 2a. Now we will take all the terms in the left hand side, then our equation will be a cube minus it is a square, and this value will be plus 2a and equal to 0. Now from here we can take a common. So we'll take a common and remaining is a square here, minus here we have taken a common and remaining is a here, plus 2 that is equal to 0. So friend, hope till here everything is clear. Now in the next step, step 3 we will calculate the value of a. So here multiplication of two terms is 0, so we can write either a is equal to 0, or we can write a square minus a plus 2 is equal to 0. Now if you look at it is in the form of quadratic equations. Now for the real value of a, we will calculate the discriminant d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here b square is negative 1 square minus 4 times 1 and 2. So the negative 1 square is 1, and here negative 4 2s are 8, and we have negative 7 here, it is less than 0. So we cannot find the real value of a. And a is equal to here we have let a is equal to x raised to the power 2 by 3. So if a is not real number, then x will also be not real number. So we have no real number for x from this quadratic equation. Now from here we'll calculate the value of x. We'll put the value of a here. The value of a in terms of x is x raised to the power 2 over 3 is 0. So here the value of x will also be 0. So friend, we have one solution, x is equal to 0. Now we'll satisfy this expression for the value of x is equal to 0. So friend, now here we'll put the value of x as 0 and 0. Then the left hand side value will be 1 plus 1 will be 2, and right hand side will be 0. So the value of x also 0 does not satisfy the expressions. So here in the questions we do not have any solution of these questions. So here we do not have any real solution of these questions for x. Sometimes this type of questions being asked which are having no real solutions. Hope this video was very helpful for everyone. This ends for today. Thank you so much.